Puzzle.io is a modern, AI-powered accountant tool built specifically for startups and growing businesses. Designed to automate bookkeeping, deliver real-time metrics like burn rate and runway, and draft financials instantly via API integrations with Stripe, Gusto, Ramp, and more. Now, Puzzle gives you continuously updated dashboards with cash flow, ARR/MRR, and financial statements available at any moment. No waiting for month-end closes. QuickBooks and Xero still rely largely on manual entry and end-of-month updates. With automated transaction categorization, up to 95% accuracy, auto-reconciliation, and embedded accruals, Puzzle cuts down on manual effort while learning as you go. QuickBooks is powerful, but more manual, and Xero is simpler but lacks Puzzle's startup-centric features. Puzzle natively connects to fintech tools like Stripe, Brex, Mercury, Gusto, and more, feeding real data into your books instantly. Collaboration is easy too. Tag teammates, upload receipts, and work together directly in the platform. Puzzle shines for startups and SaaS companies needing real-time visibility and fundraising readiness. It automates key startup metrics like burn and runway. QuickBooks is ideal for retail, invoicing, payroll, inventory, and time tracking. Xero offers a simpler interface, unlimited users, and decent value, great for smaller businesses expanding globally. One startup founder said that Puzzle's UI and free plan allow multiple bank connections, made everything a breeze. So, it's best for startup founders seeking automated real-time accounting and insights. I just want you to know that I'm not a financial advisor, this is merely educational content, so always choose and do your own research to see what your business needs.